If you have an LG TV that came with a Magic Remote that has a favorites button on it, I'm going to show you how to use that button right now. First thing you're going to do is press the settings button on the remote, and that's going to open up your menu system over here. And then we're going to go up to the all settings button, which is up in the top left corner there. Once this opens up, we're going to go down to general, and then we're going to go over to accessibility. Once you're in accessibility here, it's going to give us the option to program that button under the control features option, which is right here. So we go in there, and now we can customize remote control button, and then you have two different things you can do. You can do a quick press one and a press and hold one, so you can actually use it in two different ways. So we'll click on the pencil icon next to mute, that's what it comes pre-programmed to, and you can choose from a list here. You can either have it do quick access to your inputs, the accessibility app, accessibility shortcuts, or live TV. So we can just set this one to our input shortcut, and then if we want to do the press and hold one, we can just choose from one of the other four that's on here. And that's all there is to it. It's a really easy thing to do, and it's a nice way to kind of customize the remote a little bit to give you quick access to some different features here. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn what the Home Hub remote button can do, make sure you check out our video on that one. See you in the next one.